tons of time doing an assessment, especially when it comes to info gathering. I mean, you got a lot of tools that you want to run on a list of domains or a list of hosts, and it can also help you like in post exploitation, where you get a shell and you can't get a full payload or anything like that. So here we go. So XRs. I already asked that question. How many people use it in their daily life? Linux admins, hands again. Alrighty, fantastic. Alrighty, so you can do something with a list of something. Huge time saver. In Linux post exploitation. So it has way more functionality than I'm going to cover today. I mean, you could have literally a whole day talking about XRs. Or you could just use it to automate something and go do something else with your time, such as draw a giant Kim Jong-un.
Wait, what's your initials again?
So this all originated because my initials are NK, so they started calling me North Korea, followed by Pyongyang and Kim Jong. So one day between assessments, while XArgs was turning on some stuff that I was doing, I took it upon myself to draw a giant fat Kim Jong-un face in whiteboard marker. That's pretty good. Yeah. So what is XArgs? Multiple ops on multiple items. You can read it from standard in, type stuff into it, or you can use the -a flag and feed it a file. The I character, which is kind of how I use it, you can assign it to like the % symbol, and then anywhere in your command where that % symbol appears, it'll be substituted with what was passed in. So debug command, you can see we'll run command on whatever's passed in. So for intel gathering, we make a list of stuff. In this case, host names. And here is pulling who has records for all of domain names, anything else. So you can also use it to do NS lookups. And you can use what Jake just displayed earlier, Fierce, which is how we use it most often. You feed it a whole list of stuff. So, you shell the Linux box. Congratulations, number one. But sometimes, you don't have interpreters. But if you have a shell, you will almost always have XArgs in an editor. And usually that editor is an Emacs. VI for the win. Because
No. Nano for the win. What?
Yes, it is. VI is present on almost every Unix box that you will pop.
You gotta get Nano.
Pico then.
You gotta learn to use the code.
Fine, ban anyone who disagrees.
So, sack up, learn VI, do the standing. Internal host discovery. So once you pop the box, you can ping a list of hosts. So this is a poor man's ping suite.
Wow, nice.
Pretty handy. And then it spits you out back for all the hosts that we're listing. You can even use it if you have Bash, which is really cool because there's a built-in function in Bash where you can do something like that. So you can call a host name and a port right from the dev tree and create a file that looks like that.
Wait, what is that last entry?
Run that bad boy.
Only if Bash was compiled with FTCP support.
Exactly.
Most of the time it's not.
So, if you have those preconditions, which on a lot of distros you will, pipe this bad boy in there, and here you go.
And by the way, the reason you want to use this instead of just piping is so you don't get that stupid too many arguments.
Yes, that
Wait,
will happen.
can you repeat that actually?
If you just pipe into a bash, it'll give you too many arguments if you exceed 200.
Yeah, there's a max parameter that you can set.
And that's XRs get
Is it
over that.
256 or 65 grand?
No, I think it's 256.
Okay.
So, handy.
Yes.
Handy. Saves you tons of time. We use it a lot. I use it a lot. Saved me a ton of time. So, there we go.
Nice.
Yay.